know the steering wheel looks a little different this morning. And I guess, I don't know how this will look. There you go. You can see that's not the front of my Toyota, too. Hi, Joanne. Guess whose truck I'm in this morning? Steve didn't want to work on Saturday, so I'll play Trucker Julz for the day. I have been aching to go live, and it wasn't light enough, so I had to turn the dome light on in the truck so I could go live. I'm at work, I know. How you doing this morning? I guess there is a derail in Springfield, Colorado. So I'm following Johnny and Lucky, and we're gonna bring back some stuff. I don't know, I don't remember what, I think they're like Connexes. Details later. I'll let you know, because I'll go live throughout the day, of course. So, anyway, good morning, and I really ain't got anything else. And I'm out of Facebook fucking jail. So, my language hasn't changed much when talking about Mark Zuckerberg, whatever the hell his name is. Mr. Small Penis. Yes, I'm still poking the bear. What I seem to do best. Anyway, as it gets lighter, and if I see anything worthwhile going live over, I will definitely do it. So have a wonderful morning, Joanne. And since you're off on this Saturday morning, it's Saturday, right? Yes, because that's right. Steve didn't want to do this. Yeah. I'll go live here when it brightens up, and hopefully there's something exciting to see.